and welcome. Thank you for being here. Today I'm going to start off by priming my skin with the Touch in Sol No Pore Blum Primer. I'm then going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This makes an excellent eyeshadow base if anybody was wondering. Then I'm going to set that in place with my NYX HD Translucent Setting Powder. To start off the eyes, I'm actually going to be using my Kat Von D contouring palette and picking up the lightest contour shade, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade in the crease. Then I'm going to grab my Modern Renaissance palette and pick up the shade Warm Taupe and apply that to the crease. Then I'm going to pick up the shade Goals from my Morphe 15N palette and apply that into the crease and focus it slightly more onto the outer corner of the eye as well, and kind of create a V shape and elongate the eye. I'm going to go back into my Modern Renaissance palette and pick up the shade Antique Bronze and also the shade Cypress Umber, and these are both going to once again go onto the outer V and up into the crease of the eye, and these two are quite a bit deeper than the other shades I was using, so this is going to start to add some depth. Then I'm going to be going over the edges with a fluffy brush to make sure everything is looking nice and blended. Then I'm going to go in with my Liquid Metals eyeshadow from Stila, which is just pure glitter. This is in the shade Kitten Karma. Surprise, I am back with a winged eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And I'm going to be just applying that right underneath the liner like Ariana had in the music video. Then I'm also going to be using some black eyeshadow to kind of diffuse that wing and make it a little bit more blended into the eyeshadow, because I noticed she had that in the music video as well. I just threw on whatever lashes I had lying in front of me, nothing special. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Glow foundation, I believe, and I think I'm in the shade Porcelain. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Ivory underneath my eyes and down the sides and center of my nose. And you know a girl is going to try to snatch her nose today in honor of Ariana's tiny nose, which I'm not sure who she made a deal with, because we are both very much Sicilian, and I can tell you that Sicilians are not known for having snatched noses at all. So good for you, girl. Keep thriving. Pop off. I'm just a little bit envious. And then I'm going to be setting my under eyes with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. Once again, I'm going to pick up that lightest contouring shade from my Kat Von D contouring palette, and I'm just going to very lightly chisel out and contour my cheekbones, jawline, and of course my nose. Then I'm going to go in with the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzer and bronze up my face a bit. I have an absolutely perfect highlighter for this look, but I could not find it anywhere, so I'm actually going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow in the shade Treasure, because it's the only shade I could find that was sort of similar, so I'm just highlighting my face with that. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to be using the shade Antique Bronze once again and running that along the lower lash line. For lips, I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. I was out of frame for this, I apologize, but I just wound up going ahead and filling in all of my lips with the lip liner. Then I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Naked and just applying that to the center of the lip. Then I'm going to use my Too Faced lip gloss in the shade Milkshake and apply that right over top, and that is all. I hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun filming this. I had quite a few people ask me to film a tutorial of this look after I posted a photo of it on my Instagram a couple months ago. So I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for being here. I hope you have a beautiful day.